Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today's video is not a new video but just extension from the previous video that I made. If all of you remember, 4 months ago I made this video unboxing a Windows phone from 2007, and in that video we were just doing the unboxing and I said that we are going to go in depth into this phone because there were a lot of features on this phone that we had to take a look at. But after that I couldn't do it because a lot of new texts were coming in and other videos of MacBooks and everything, so this video just got really delayed. I was actually expecting to put this video out within a few weeks after doing it, but I guess now it's been 4 months, so slightly delayed. Here's the phone, the same phone that you saw. I think I'll just leave this video up there so you guys can go check it out. And for those who have checked out, let's continue with this video. And for those who have not seen that video, I think you should just continue with this video and then I think you can go and see that video. Without further ado, let's get started into checking this phone out. So here's the phone, a really compact mini phone. I guess this is a true mini phone. So here's the power button, so just gonna turn it on. It says device booting and there you go, auto welcome. This is the Oxygen OS, Microsoft own operating service. It's a really reflective screen. Of course it's a plastic screen. There you go, Windows Mobile booting. There we are inside the phone. So firstly there's a stylus here. We actually can use our fingernails to move around, but I guess the stylus is better to choose minor places in the screen, so I guess this is better. So firstly it says name, company, address, telephone and email. Wow, probably I guess these are preset, so if someone lost their phone I think you can just use that. So that's that. And there's something called email, so let's click on that. The screen is pretty responsive and there's the keyboard showing up. There's just this buffering screen coming up and that's it. So let's go to network. Detected from SIM. Oh, it's in flight mode, so we just have to manually choose the country, the list of countries here, and oh, there we go, Singapore. Singapore's here. That's nice. And okay, we have all the latest telcos here. I guess we don't have all the newer ones, but like TPG, but we do have the standard ones. So I'm just gonna go to country, English, United States. The time is wrong as well as for the date. It's in 2007. Well, we are not in 2007, we are in 2022. Today, select a theme for your device. O2, Guava Bubble, Swirl, and Windows Mobile Green. I guess Guava Bubble sounds nice. Let's go for Guava Bubble. Okay, receiving. Oh, system volume. I like this slider. Despite the frame rates being really low, I really like it. That's nice. I think I'm gonna go for the Windows Mobile. Ring Vision. This sounds kind of fancy. I think I'll just go with this. Let's go next. Text. Oh, that's quite big. Okay, I think I'll just go with the medium. And whoa, that's interesting. There's something called battery power. So I can choose the screen backlight brightness for battery power and for AC power. So this phone is being able to use while plugged in, just like a laptop. Oh, that's not bad. So I'm just gonna click next. I think I won't assign any buttons, and there we go. The phone is set up and we are into the phone. Oxygen OS. Let's go. Okay, what do we have here? This is the start button from the Windows, and here we have the battery percentage, the time, which is definitely wrong. I'm just gonna leave it as it is because there isn't any point in me changing the timing. So with that, there's Wi-Fi, there's Bluetooth. Wow, that's not bad. We have Bluetooth on this phone, and there's 100 messages. Oh, and there's appointments. We have Internet Explorer. We even have a sign that shows that the device is unlocked. Oh, the device is locked now. Press cancel, then press unlock. Then I can press unlock. Oh, that's nice. The device is lock and unlocking system. That's nice. Even though the security isn't up to top notch, but that's all we're getting in 2007. Oh, and there's also Internet Explorer. Sadly, we can't open it since it's not supported anymore. Let's go to contacts. We can create a new contact. Let's create a new contact. And let's just name the contact as YouTube. This is with YT. And I think I'll just leave all of these out. I'm gonna go to mobile telephone number. The code just pops up. So I think I'm just gonna go with phone number is 258-257. Okay, 46559 something. I think you'll just go with this, and I'm just gonna go down. There's email 1, email 2. Wow, that's a lot. Many government ID, account, customer ID, birth date, anniversary. Wow, that's nice. That's a lot of things to put on a contact. So I think I'll just go press OK, and whoa, there you go, YouTube, and this is the number. We have it. Just gonna click close, and what do we have here? Live search. Whoa, I'm getting iOS 16 vibes here. Okay, let's go click keyboard, and let's search for, where can I get my keyboard? Okay, there we got it. Search for games. Just search for it. Oh, and it's connecting to Internet Explorer. Not connect with your current connection settings. That's interesting. Now click dismiss. Just click close. So now with that done, let's click on phone now. Phone, data, Bluetooth, wireless LAN. Yeah, okay, let's just click on wireless LAN. Select a network to connect. This doesn't look at any Wi-Fi networks. This doesn't look at any Wi-Fi networks, so I'm just gonna click with this. The internet or work via VPN. The internet or work via VPN. Just gonna click connect. Okay, it asks for the password, so I'm just gonna dismiss. Just gonna turn it off. We can turn phone on. That's interesting. Then we can turn the phone on and off. That's nice. I'll click off. Just gonna click exit for now. Then I'm gonna go with, just gonna click on the start. Office, mobile, calendar, contacts, Internet Explorer, messaging, phone, camera, calculator, file explorer, bubble breaker. That's a game. Solitaire, program, settings, and help. Let's go and try some bubble breakers. Let's see what this is. Okay, not the best, but sure. I can just click on any random places in this map, and I think I can just finish this game off. I'll click on the exit. The end button is exit. For those who have used button phones and Nokia phones, I think we all know that the end call button is the exit button. So I don't know how to play cards, so I'm not going to go inside that. And let's go to calendar. Let's see if we have 2022. We have 2022, and let's go to July. Okay, so what's today's date? Let's go to July 17. The day I'm shooting this is July 17, so I'm just gonna, July 17, which is a Sunday. That's way too far ahead, but it's not surprising because all phones these days have it. Okay, we're just gonna click end call to go to the main menu, and there you go. And let's click on the battery percentage to see what it shows. Main battery and battery power remaining 100%. I like this bar. Showing the battery percentage. I'm gonna click advanced. Oh, all these are on external power, so let's click OK. And talking about battery, I just wanted to test out if connecting to external power increases the screen brightness. So I've got the charger here. I'm just gonna plug this in, and the device switched off. That's very weird. The device is booting up again. I don't see any kind of changes in this. As you can tell from the camera that the screen is very bright. Okay, my camera just calibrated to the screen. Okay, so this screen is really bright now. So I'm just gonna unplug it to see how it works. Unplug it, the device just dims. Gonna go back to the, where were you? We were at camera. Let's check out camera. Okay, I'm getting iPhone 3GS vibes. Of course, 2x zoom. There's even a front-facing camera. Oh, there are filters too. Merry Christmas filter. That is nice. And the phone just went to landscape mode. Let's try if it goes to landscape mode. Okay, it doesn't go to landscape mode, but it just was in landscape mode just now. So camera is fun. Let's go to messaging. Text message, MMS, or new email account. I'm going to send a text message. Am I able to write like in the new phones? Text message. I think I need a contact to write it to, so I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Click start, and we're going to go to settings. Settings sounds interesting. Buttons, input log. That's nice. Let's go to buttons. Up down control, delay before repeat. Go to input. We have transcript. I think I'm just going to go with large keys because even the large keys on this screen is just too small for me. Device pin. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna take my words back on just trolling the lock screen of this phone. There is a way to unlock and just put a password to this. And menus. That's a lot. Okay, this ain't the only apps that we have here. These are only those that appear on the start menu. We just have a lot more that isn't in the start menu. There's Java, Media Album, Notes. These are the ones that we can choose, and I think we can just set them to the start button. So owner information. Also, these were the ones that we saw just now, and I don't know, for some reason the owner information isn't setting it up, so I'm just going to leave it like that. This phone is currently off. Would you like to turn on the phone? Oh yeah, we just turned off the phone. So we don't have screen taps, hardware buttons, so we always have this clicking noise whenever we click, so we just do. So we don't want that. We're going to go back and screen taps turned off. Please sound. There's the notification sound. Okay, that's a pretty decent speaker, I would say. And there's vibration. We can customize our home screen for every single day. That isn't something that you see on all phones, especially on phones in 2007. Okay for that.
A few moments later.
And there we go. The whole theme is changed. I just into Guava Bubble and everything is changed. The whole phone is red in color. I think I prefer this over the normal Oxygen OS theme. This is definitely a lot better than the Oxygen OS theme. File Explorer and music. Okay, there definitely isn't anything in these folders, so we're just gonna close out of it. Calculator. Calculator is nice. Let's go see how calculator is. This just looks like an emergency phone that you give for elderly people. We are gonna do a difficult math problem here to check if this calculator is working, which is 1 plus 1. The answer showed up. Wow. Okay, that was just for fun. Overall, Oxygen OS theme is good. So I'm gonna go to help. Let's see what we have in help. Customize today's screen and add a custom background. What else we have here? Battery, phone, connectivity, volume. This phone just gives me a vintage vibe. It's just so fun to play with. Office mobile. What do we have here? Oh wow, wow, wasn't expecting this at all. We have Excel mobile, PowerPoint mobile, and Word mobile. Okay, I'm just gonna go with Word mobile. And let's see what shows up. No way, this is too good. Let's say hello, and I'm gonna bold it. I can highlight it, and I can bold it. Italics, yes please, underline. That is good. I wasn't expecting this at all. I'm gonna centralize it. I'm gonna bullet it. I would really get this phone. If this phone was in 2022, I think I would get it. Okay, not really exactly this phone, but just with minor tweaks. I won't use it as a main phone, but at least I would use it as just a cool one in my collection. So I'm gonna close out of Word and let's go to PowerPoint. Let's see what we have in PowerPoint. So we actually need to have some folder in PowerPoint in order for it to work. So you can just close out of that. Let's go to Excel mobile. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. Excel mobile, wow, that is really something that I wasn't expecting. With all these cells, all the columns, and all the rows, fantastic. I wasn't expecting this at all. I think we have taken a look at everything in this phone, I guess. And yep, that's pretty much it. We have taken a look at everything, all the features and all these small interesting things on this phone. I'm just gonna put the stylus back into where it came from, put it in, and there you go. And I can just press the button, turn it off. There you go, the phone is turned off. So that was pretty fun, and of course, without a doubt, this phone is one of the most interesting phones that I have ever come across my entire life. And one of the cause of that, it might be because I wasn't using this phone when it came out, or I wasn't just part of the generation who used this phone. So I might find this interesting. There were a lot of Easter eggs in this phone. Like, I really wasn't expecting to find Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint in that. I know it was a Windows phone, but those were not the apps that I was trying to expect on such a small device. So that was fun, and of course, having Windows on a phone was totally different. Even though it felt like I'm using a actual Windows OS like as in a laptop, it was actually a mobile phone. So that integration wasn't really appealing because I don't think anyone would want to use a exact Windows operating service on a phone, because I think people would be definitely more used to using it on a computer, and especially with the start button crammed right at the top of the screen, that isn't really user friendly. I don't find it really user friendly. And of course, I saw why the stylus was there, because touching the phone with your fingers without accidentally pressing something is straight up impossible. And especially typing on it, you just forget about that. Just use the stylus and just press one key by one key. I really have a few more thoughts on that, but I'm just gonna save it up for the review. And of course, a lot more testings to do on this phone. Definitely will be doing them, and definitely the review will be out. I'm not gonna say very soon because I really don't know when, but I'll just try to keep it as soon as possible. And with that, thank you so much for watching. If any of you all watching this video have used this phone or are currently having this phone. I don't think anyone will be currently having this, or I mean in a daily basis. But if you're someone who have used this phone back in 2007 when it came out, do leave your experience in the comments below. I would really love to read them because it's going to be really interesting. I'm really very excited to do this review on this phone because I just feel like there's a lot to do. I mean, if I can just use this phone and do a video by just exploring this phone definitely does has a lot to offer. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Click the like button and click the subscribe button below to show your support. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye.